Hi there.
Something that you used to, not something might be able to relate to in the present. You got my
latest
songs I'm singing. You got my latest songs I'm singing. Not something from so long ago, not something that you might wanna know, but something I can relate to in the present.
Have you got my latest record project? Got my latest record project.
Not something way back in the day. Not something I have to say. Not something when I gave it away long ago.
Have you got my latest record? Easy Van. Got my latest record project. Sha-la-la. Got my latest record project. That's Van Morrison, Croeso Wpla Bobby Hope Do Baby. Redichin Grando Ada Bob. You are listening to Bubsy. Hello. And I've been buying lots of Van Morrison CDs. Rydw I wedi bod yn prynu llawer o CDs Van Morrison. Dyma nhw. Roll with the Punches, pa flwyddyn? 2017, 2017. James Blunt, Once Upon a Mind, that shouldn't be there. James Blunt, All the Lost Souls, shouldn't be there. James Blunt, Some Kind of Trouble, shouldn't be there. Van Morrison, Poetic Champions compose I've had for a long time, and I love it, although it's a little bit reverby mellow at times, but it's absolutely beautiful. Van Morrison, Moondance, the only one of the early stuff I have on CD. Haven't listened to it completely. I loved this when it came out on vinyl in 1987. Sorry, 1984, A Sense of Wonder. Beautiful. Van Morrison, Down the Road. 2002, haven't listened to that, had it for a while. Van Morrison, Pay the Devil. 2006, haven't listened to that apart from the first song. Days Like This, 1995. I think, shall we check that out now? Or shall we check out the last one, which I have, the latest record project? Double album. Let's go for the shortest song. They Own the Media, 313, side 2, CD 2. They Own the Media. Let's listen to what he says on this. I can relate to that. 13, is it track 13? Nope, it's track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take away 3 is 11. Here we go. It better be this.
Western man has no plan since he became complacent. Stop believing in himself. Let others steal his rewards while he was dreaming. While he was dreaming, others were scheming, doing deals behind his back. Now Western man is adrift and under attack.
That's Western Man. We'll listen to They Own the Media.
They tell us that ignorance is bliss. I guess for those that control the media it is. They own the media, they control the stories we are told. If you ever try to go against them, you will be ignored. They control the narrative, they perpetuate the myth. Keep on telling you lies, tell you ignorance is bliss. Believe it all and you'll never get wise to the truth, 'cause they control everything you do, everything you do, everything you do, everything you do. Perpetuate the myth. Keep on selling you lies. Tell you ignorance is bliss. Believe it all and you never get the truth. Never get wise. Wise to their lies. To their lies. They control the media, they control the media, they control the media, they control the media.
Rydych chi'n gwrando ar Wpla Bobby Hook to Baby 2025. Dyna Van Morrison and canu They Control the Media o'r album My Latest Record Project Volume 1 ddath allan yn y flwyddyn 2021. Right, sorry James, not now James, we're busy. Mae Van Morrison yn Van Morrison is hogging the airwaves. Let's listen to something from the album. If they block it now, what an unfortunate turn of events that will be. When Van says they control the media, his publishers then say, no, you're not broadcasting that, even if it's for fair use and basic human rights to play music that you've purchased, albeit second-hand. Yes, I know. No Religion. Let's listen to that. Track 5 of the 1995 album, Days Like This. Let's listen to No Religion. I love this. I haven't heard it before. That's why I'm listening. By the way, what a sax solo that was in the previous track. He plays that and he came from his guts, didn't it? Absolute incredible stuff.
Didn't know no better, but they said it could be worse. Some people thought it was a blessing. Other people think that it's a curse. You have to choose between fact and fiction, and the whole world is gone astray. That's why there's no religion, no religion, no religion here today. Yeah, there's no straight answer, no straight answer. What this thing called love is all about. This thing called love is all about. Some say it's unconditional. Some say it's unconditional. Other people just remain in doubt. Other people just remain in doubt. When I cleaned up my diction, I had nothing left to say, except there's no religion, no religion, no religion here today. Yeah, they ask what hate is. That's what hate is. That's up the other side of love. It's just the other side of love. Some people want to give their enemies everything they think that they deserve. Everything they think that they deserve. Some say, why don't you love your neighbor? Why don't you love your neighbor? Go ahead and turn the other cheek. Go ahead and turn the other cheek now. But nobody on this planet that can ever be so meek. That can ever be so meek. And I can't plead for you. Can't plead for you. You have to do it your own way. You have to do it your own way. And there's no religion, no religion, no religion here today. start to sing and I save the day. Save the day. And there's no religion, no religion, no religion here today. And there's no mystery, and there's nothing hidden, and there's no religion here today. And there's no mystery, and there's nothing hidden, and there's no religion here today. And there's no religion, no religion, no religion here today.
So there we are. That's a contentious yet interesting and exceedingly tasteful musically song. We'n playing rydych chi'n gwrando ar Wpla Bobi Hogdw yn Gymraeg ac yn Saesneg. Dyma Van Morrison o'r album... dwi ddim yn cofio ba album. 12-inch single yw hwn. It's called In the Days Before Rock and Roll and it's from the album Enlightenment. So, gadewch ni glywed e. I could talk for half an hour about No Religion, the song. I thought it was really groovy. Let's have a look now. Where are we? Have we turned it on? Rydych chi'n gwrando ar Wpla Bobi Hogdw wrth gwrs. Ydyn ni wedi... Ydy, mae ymlaen. Gadewch ni weld os di e'n gweithio. Let's see if it works. Ydy e'n gweithio? Start. Mae lot o lwch ar y record. There's lots of dust on the record. It might jump. Oh, boys bach, we've gone down to 7-inch again. We need 12-inch. Oh, boys bach, what's going on here? Oh, boys bach. Now then, I've just remembered hearing the end of that just now. It reminds me of The Simple Things by Lilac Time. The organ, not ascending. The organ ascending. Let's get this right speed. Here we go. We're rocking. Dyma Van Morrison in the days before rock and roll.
goldfish go in the days before rock and roll?
Facts did not come in without those wireless knobs. Facts did not come in without those wireless knobs. Elvis did not come in without those wireless knobs. Nor Fats, nor Elvis, nor Sonny, nor Lightning, nor Muddy, nor John Lee.
In the days before rock and roll. In the days before rock and roll. When we let and we bet on Lester Piggott 10-1, and we let the goldfish go down the stream before rock and roll. We went over the whip bands. To get Luxembourg. And I'm alone. Yeah, fan, stars and jazz. Come in, Ray Charles. Come in. In the days before rock and roll. In the days before rock and roll. When we let and we bet on Lester Piggott 10-1, and we
Let the goldfish go.
And then the killer came along. The killer, Jerry Lee Lewis. There's a whole lot of shaking going on. Good balls are fine. Little Richard.
Justin, gentler than a man. Justin, where is Justin now? What's Justin doing now? Justin. Where Where is Justin now?
Come aboard.
Rydych chi'n gwrando ar Wpla Bobi Hwp Baby, sef rhaglen radio o'r flwyddyn, pa flwyddyn? 1989 tan 92 ar Radio Cymru, ond nawr mae'n darlledu ar YouTube gyda fi, y Bobs. Hello. So, rydych chi wedi clywed tair can gan Van Morrison. Yr un diwethaf yna oedd In the Days Before Rock and Roll. Mae Wpla Bobi Hwp yn cario ymlaen os oes rhywbeth anghywir wedi digwydd. Ymddiheiriadau, I apologise for dropping the mic during that performance. It's on 12-inch record. It sounds great. Why did I show you Brian Kennedy? Because Brian Kennedy was responsible for the backing vocal and the refrain and string Van the Man during the song No Religion. And what a fine voice he has too. A little too high-pitched on that song Captured, which I showed you. There's another one, Hollow, which I don't really know how it goes. But Captured my heart, if you see what I mean. You're listening to Wpla Bobi Hwp bilingual radio. Shall I make evaluation comments about those songs? Just that I love it. It was very loud in this study. The neighbours must be probably thinking there's a party on a Monday tea time. I wanted to play you Lilac Time, going the ascending keyboards at the end of Simple Things. Let's see if we can track it down straight away. Can we track it down straight away? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. We've got it here from the album Return to Us. It's a beautiful, it makes me cry. That song didn't make me cry today, In the Days Before Rock and Roll. Usually it does, but I'm getting a little weary and hard-hearted. This does make me cry, this song, by the Lilac Time. I'm going to see whether you agree with the climbing strings at the end of that and the climbing synth at the end of this by the Lilac Time. It's called The Simple Things, track 8. Let's go. Wpla Bobi Hwp Baby. Rydych chi'n gwrando ar y Bob.
Rolling down the river, holding on to something. We hold nothing at arm's length. We come from the slow years, no gestures without substance. they will never know they're wrong. I know a very easy song to sing. See what harmony it brings. Simple thing, just breathe in.
Hello. Right. So, just breathe in and out. There we have it. It's Wpla Bobby Hook 2 is done for. We're on 33 minutes. We got to move away from 33 minutes. So we've got from the album Return to Us, The Lilac Time. Before that, Van Morrison, In the Days Before Rock and Roll. Before that, No Religion from the album Days Like This. And from his 121 LP, my latest project, Volume 1, the song They Own the Media. What can I say? I'll try and say 5 sentences. I refuse to be partitioned, categorized, and labeled. I refuse to be designated a bigot. I refuse to be negative, so I shall refrain from saying I refuse. I admire musicians, and I'm not ashamed of the gospel. There we are. Marvellous. So, I'm going to read this now. Diolch yn fawr am wrando. Hwyl fawr.